Have you received an EDD audit letter? Well, if you have recently received a letter and it's in 2021, your audit period will go from generally from 2018 to 2021. Why is this significant? Well, the EDD audit's 12 quarters, and it's not 12 full years, it's 12 quarters. So there was a new law in California called AB5, and AB5 became effective January 1st, 2020. So what happened to the old rule? Well, based on the audits that we currently have and that we're defending our clients on, this is what we're seeing. The auditors are making determinations both on the old rule, which is the Borello 13-factor test, if it's for the state of California, up to December 31st, 2019. And from January 1st, 2020, they're applying a different standard. And in some cases, you can have a worker who is classified as an independent contractor under the old rule, and under the new rule for 2020 moving forward, they're classified as an employee because they don't meet those more stringent requirements. So keep those in mind. Hire a tax attorney, go through your records, and really do a profile. This is probably the best tip I can give you. Go through a profile for each of your 1099 contractors and see if you have some evidence that they had a legitimate business. They had clients, did they advertise, did they have their own website, and most important, did they have a business license and possibly even an EIN number. So business license is also called a tax certificate. If you do business in that city, you're required to get a business license. So for instance, if you're a subcontractor and you're performing work in multiple cities because you have a job, happens to be, for instance, in Del Mar, which is in San Diego, or somewhere up in Riverside, certain cities require business licenses, others don't. But if you have a job there, generally subcontractors getting licenses just to complete that job. So make sure you have your workers have some of those basic requirements and be able to provide that information to EDD, the auditor, so you can justify that they have a legitimate business. But remember, under AB5, they have to meet all three requirements to be considered to be a contractor. And if they fail even one of those, they're automatically classified by EDD as an employee, and then they can assess you. EDD will assess you for payroll taxes and penalties and interest. And those are calculated based upon total payments you made to your independent contractors, so convert them over. So hopefully that information was helpful. I'm John Milikowski, founder of Milikowski Tax Law. Feel free to contact us should you need more information.